So this is one of the Azuna fragrance diffuser pod things. I bought a 2-pack, so it comes with 2 of these and then a big container of the gel that you put inside. It's like Australian tea tree oil, which is safe for pets because we have a dog and I researched it, safe for animals. So you fill this with the gel, and it doesn't have a strong perfume scent. The first day that I put it in, it did smell like tea tree oil pretty intensely, but that dissipates, and then after that it just kind of removes odor from the air and your house smells fresh without smelling fragranced. I love the containers. I love this is like a frosted glass and then the bamboo top. It just looks really sleek. My pumpkin here, sorry. Yeah, give them a try. I'm really happy with it. I bought the just fresh scent. So I have one in a bathroom and then one just in like the kitchen living room area. So the Azuna odor removal